Hi everyone, this is Isabel and I'm back with another gift idea. So these are little gifts that I made for some coworkers. They are tags that they can place on their Christmas gifts. So I got this idea off of going to Marshall's and Ross and TJ Maxx, all those stores where you see all these really pretty Christmas tags that you can buy. And I thought, well, if I would want to buy them, I figured this would be a great idea for me to give to someone that would not cost me a lot of money. So they're all pattern paper that I just die cut out of the Sizzix die. This is tags. And I used the one that's with a pointy top. So here's one. It's really pretty paper, Christmas paper. Most of the paper I bought at Hobby Lobby, and some of it was just very old paper that I've had for a while. Some of them have a background. For this one does not. It's just white cardstock. And then I did use this red twine, and then these little bells, jingle bells, I bought off of Temu. I'm not sure. I think, yeah, it's 100 rusty bells. I don't remember how much. It's probably like $2 or something. But I think they came out really cute. So I think almost all of the sets have about 10. Some of them I did stamp. For instance, this one says a very Merry Christmas. I really was trying to choose paper that either I could stamp on or that had a really good design that covered up the whole paper. So this one has two. This one has the typewriter, and then some of it just, the other one has the holly and berries. But this one also has a background. It's a double-sided background pattern paper that came out really cute. So again, I was just trying to look for pattern paper that I could stamp on for some of them. This one says Merry Christmas, and it also is has a patterned background. Okay, and some of this paper I actually found on at Hobby Lobby in the clearance section. So these are all snowmen, and these would be, like I said, Christmas gift tags that they can use. This one says White Christmas, and they're all the same. Also has a pattern in the back. This one says For You, and they're all the same. And then this one again has a pattern background. This one does not have a patterned background. It's really pretty. They're all the same. Most of them I was able to get the tags off of one sheet of paper, whether it was an 8.5 by 11 or it was a 12 by 12. But yeah, this one's really cute with the little car and the Christmas tree. But yeah, they were having paper on sale at Hobby Lobby. And again, like for instance, this one was part of a package that was in the clearance section at Hobby Lobby. This one and this one and this one. And these, for the most part, were just old patterned paper pads that I have had for the longest time. This one also has a background. So yeah, these are just going to be very small little gifts that I'm going to give some of my coworkers for always being so patient with me and helping and just being good, good workers to work with, good employees to work with. But that's it. Really, really simple little project idea, and they can use them for their own Christmas wrapping. So yeah, and then these were also die cut as well. So everything was die cut, so it made everything come together really quickly. But that's it. I just wanted to share this idea. I do have another one that I have not started working, but that I will probably maybe tomorrow, that I can share with you in a couple of days. But that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.